And I'm from Expresso Hub. Welcome to Expresso Hub. And yes, we are here to learn and discuss about what is Android and what is the current development is in current scenario of Android in employees and what is real time and how the employees over in companies or whichever in consulting companies, what are the tools they use and how they'll work. This will guide you into get into the on-right career and you'll start your career. You don't need to waste your time, right? You don't need to go after your completion of any degree. It might be a BTech degree, it might be something else. After completion of BTech and getting into again Amipet or some other learning company, learning institutes, you waste of time. Start now. As you are in BTech second year or BTech first year, just start it now. This is not only for BTechs, this is for everyone. If you are a degree student, if you are a 10th class student, this is fine. You can learn Android and it's easy, simple. And yeah, let's discuss about Android. Yes, we have couple of softwares regarding Android. Actually, usually people use it to install this Eclipse Studio. I guess Eclipse, right? Eclipse Studio and Android, and this was the Eclipse Studio. Basically, use it to build Android applications, and which usually like people like software engineers or some other people like you are been using this softwares in so many days that Eclipse is in like user PCs or desktop versions, whichever they use it to build applications in it. But currently, it has moved to official Android Studio from Google. Yes, Google is the main source for Android because, as you know, PhonePe, Google Pays, and many of the applications right now we moved into Android because of the customization and we have the user-friendly interface. We've been using mostly Android, I guess, better than this iPhone and all. We're using Android, right? And then yeah, where we are using Studios. So Eclipse Studio is later it goes away and official Android Studio is there, and it has so many applications. Google really works so hard to build so many applications, so many libraries is put into that studio so that user can use those libraries and build some like whichever is application you can. And yes, the basic thing is what language. Yeah, as you can guess, you might have C++, Java, and so many languages over there. But Android announced that Kotlin. Remember this word, Kotlin. This is going to be a huge jump in the market tomorrow because Kotlin is the official language for Android. And people like you who are like they just started now, no need to gen Java fundamentals and all this stuff. Just leave it. Start working on Kotlin. And yes, what is a website? Where should I study? Yes, we have a website source, brother. We have our Espresso Hub specifically for Android Hub. Learn there. Otherwise, if you are deep into the structure, go to kotlin.com. You will get more information regarding Kotlin because you can build your application. You can learn since your education is there because it is to be practical education what we require in India, and that is what we are pushing together. Your limits and your passion coming together to build this application. All you need is official Android Studio from Google, and yes, it's known as Jetpack. A Jetpack is a combination of libraries wherein you can use those libraries to put your application beyond the limits because you don't need to code from scratch. It's there library, you can use it and put it and just build the awesome application. Start now, right? Okay, where we are, yes, you may have so many doubts. So if you have a doubt, where should I go? Blank, right? You're up here with blank, so no need to go with blank. There are websites, GitHub, GitHub, and Stack Overflow. Just get into that site, put your access account in. If you have any code related queries, you may put into this Express Hub and people may answer the question, but in Stack Overflow people definitely answer that. So this is regarding Android, and the most important thing in an Android is the Kotlin language. Don't be confused with the Java. You don't need to put yourself in extremity level to learn this Java components and all because Java is a tough subject. I know because I don't know coding, but I know Java is a tough subject. So throw off Java and just get into Kotlin. Kotlin is the official language for Android. Android Official Studio. Get into this stuff. And yes, if you want to learn this Android application after remember, it's not a 30 days course. No one can learn development or coding in 30 days. It's a built-in application. You need to build yourself day by day by day. So whenever you start from, if you are a BTech student, you are in first year and you watch this video, you started installing this Android Studio and you started working on Kotlin language. In the span of 3 years, you will be master coder in Android, right? You can build your application and you definitely get a job. So use Kotlin, Android, Espresso Hub, Shaker Gupta. Thank you.